Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to use business rule in the BPEL process. So let's create a new application. Name the application as business rule. Choose the template as so application. Go to project and give the project name. For testing, I'm using business rule PJ. Since I already had one created, I am going to override that. Here you have multiple options, so let's use the empty composite and finish. Okay, so here you see a couple of predefined templates and the files will be created. So here on the composite.xml, so here you can create a new business process. So name the process as business role BPEL, and the default payload we're going to change. We're going to name that as name, and another payload we're going to call it as salary. So there are two inputs, name and the salary. So once it is defined, save this, come back to the composite, right click and say business rule. Here give the name of the business rule as business rule BR. Here we have to have two parameter set. One is input and another is output. So we want to choose output, click save. So we are defined the BPEL process and the business rule. So now we are gonna create the business role. So double click the business role. Here you see a decision table defined. So here we are gonna choose the input. So here the scenario is if the employee's salary is you know between 0 and 50, we're going to name that employee as junior, and if it is more than 50, we're going to name it as analyst, and if it is goes beyond 75 and above, then we're going to name it as uh, senior. So here so click the your process and click the salary, and in the salary we are gonna create a value set. That way we can create some range. If the salary is between 0 and 50, we gonna return the output as junior. If it is between 50 and 75, analyst, and 75 and 100, it's going to be senior. So these are the list of values we are going to define it, so that we call it as uh, basket sets. And once the basket set is defined, you choose the rule, and the rule is between 0 and 50, and the output of that is going to be junior. So which means if the input payload contains salary between 0 and 50, the output is going to be junior. So you can define multiple rules as per your business scenario. So now here, if it is between 50 and 100, we are going to define it as analyst. Create another rule, and if it is beyond 100, then name it as senior. Save this, click that tick mark that it shows, or if there is any compilation issue, you can. Now we are going to invoke the business rule. So under the SOA composite, drag the business rule, double click that. From the dictionary, choose the business rule defined, and from the input and output, we are going to map it. So the input to the business rule will be the payload, which comes when you initiate the local instance, and click the output, and the output of the business rule would be assigned to the output of the process. save that. So now we are done with calling a simple business process in here. BPEL process, right click and deploy to the WebLogic server. So the build is successful. Now we are gonna quickly test. So the SIC, I'm gonna input as Soren and the salary is 75. So as per the decision table, the output is analyst.